I get this question all the time. Devin, can you start YouTube automation alone, or do you need a team from day one? Short answer, yes, one person can absolutely start alone. In fact, for most beginners, that's the smarter move. Here's the rule. Start solo until you have a repeatable system. Don't hire to feel bigger. Hire when you've identified a real bottleneck. I'd break it into 3 stages. First, validate. Make your first 10 to 15 videos with the simplest setup possible. Your job is to learn what topics get clicks, what thumbnails get attention, and what video structure actually holds retention. Second, systemize. If you do the same task more than a few times, turn it into a checklist. Topic research, script structure, thumbnail style, edit notes, upload process. If you use Satura, this is where it helps as the workflow layer so your briefs, approvals, and production steps stay organized. Third, outsource only when a task is clearly slowing growth. My decision rule is simple. Hire when one task eats at least 30% of your week, you know what good looks like, and replacing yourself won't break the channel. Usually that means editing your thumbnails first, not a full team. So yes, one person can do YouTube automation. Start lean, prove the format, document the process, then add people where the system is already working.